In this video, we'll be guiding you through how to use our batch test function. Batch testing enables you to save time by testing up to 6 individuals in just 20 minutes. So here we have our 6 samples that we've recently taken. The most important thing to remember when batch testing is to test the first cartridge using the single test function. After pressing single test, we are prompted to press the buffer clip. When batch testing, we must press all of the buffer clips before we insert the first cartridge. We enter the donor ID reference as normal and then press start test. This cartridge is now developing inside the reader whilst the other 5 cartridges are developing next to us on the table. By developing, we mean allowing enough time for the buffer solution to move across the cartridge and into the results window. Now that the results have appeared on the screen, we can print the results as required and move on to analysing the rest of the cartridges under batch test. Select batch test function and you'll see a message reminding you that you have been fully trained in batch testing before proceeding. Press the next arrow and insert the next cartridge. Again, enter the unique donor ID reference and press start test. Because the cartridge has already had sufficient development time, the DSR Plus will simply interpret the result and provide this on screen within just 30 seconds. This process can be repeated for the remaining samples in our batch. The reason we have a maximum of 6 cartridges per batch is because once the buffer clip has been pressed, the cartridge should be inserted into the DSR Plus within 20 minutes to be analysed. If you have more than 6 individuals to test, simply split into groups accordingly. If you are experiencing any further issues with batch testing, please give us a call on 01223 941 941 or email us at customersupport@intelligentfingerprinting.com.